Tired of juggling spreadsheets and feeling overwhelmed by your finances? Want to ditch the paperwork and streamline your accounting? Then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into Xero, a powerful cloud-based accounting software that can revolutionize how you manage your business finances. Xero is a popular choice for businesses of all sizes, from freelancers and startups to established enterprises. It offers a wide range of features, including invoicing, expense tracking, bank reconciliation, payroll, inventory management, and more. But before you can harness the power of Xero, you need to know how to register. Step 1. Visit the Xero website. The first step is to visit the official Xero website. You can simply Google Xero or go directly to their website at Insert Xero website address here. Step 2. Start your free trial. On the homepage, you'll usually find a prominent Start My Free Trial button. Click on it to begin the registration process. Step 3. Enter your business information. You'll be asked to provide some basic information about your business, such as business name. Enter the legal name of your business. Industry. Select the industry your business operates in. Country. Choose the country where your business is located. Currency. Select the currency you use for your business transactions. Email address. Enter your primary email address. This will be your login ID for your Xero account. Step 4. Create your Xero password. Next, you'll need to create a strong password for your Xero account. Ensure your password is a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Step 5. Accept terms and conditions. Carefully review the Xero terms and conditions. Once you've read and understood them, accept the terms by clicking the checkbox. Step 6. Verify your email address. After submitting your information, Xero will send a verification email to the address you provided. Open the email and click on the verification link to activate your account. Step 7. Explore the Xero dashboard. Once your account is activated, you'll be redirected to the Xero dashboard. This is your central hub for managing your business finances. Key features of the Xero dashboard. Invoicing. Create professional invoices in minutes, track payments, and send reminders to late-paying customers. Expenses. Easily track and categorize your business expenses. You can upload receipts, create expense claims, and reconcile bank statements. Bank reconciliation. Automatically reconcile your bank transactions with your Xero account to ensure accuracy. Payroll. Manage employee payroll, including calculating taxes, issuing payslips, and making superannuation contributions. Reporting. Generate a variety of financial reports, such as profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements. Tips for getting started with Xero. Watch Xero's guided tours. Xero offers a series of guided tours to help you familiarize yourself with the software. These tours provide valuable insights into the key features and functionalities of Xero. Utilize Xero's Help Center. The Xero Help Center is a comprehensive resource library that contains articles, videos, and FAQs to assist you with any questions you may have. Connect with Xero's support team. If you encounter any problems or have specific questions, you can contact Xero's support team via phone, email, or live chat. Benefits of using Xero. Increased efficiency. Xero automates many time-consuming accounting tasks, such as invoicing and bank reconciliation, saving you valuable time and resources. Improved accuracy. By automating data entry and reducing manual calculations, Xero helps to minimize errors and ensure the accuracy of your financial records. Better decision-making. Xero provides you with real-time insights into your business's financial performance, enabling you to make informed decisions about your business strategy. Enhanced collaboration. Xero allows you to collaborate with your accountant or bookkeeper seamlessly, streamlining communication and improving efficiency. Scalability. Xero is a scalable solution that can grow with your business. As your business expands, you can easily add new features and users to your Xero account. Beyond the basics, advanced Xero features. Inventory management. Track your inventory levels, manage purchase orders, and generate reports on stock movements. Project tracking. Track the profitability of your projects, monitor project budgets, and generate reports on project performance. Multi-currency. Manage transactions in multiple currencies and track your foreign exchange gains and losses. Integrations. Integrate Xero with other business applications, such as e-commerce platforms, CRM systems, and payment gateways, to streamline your workflows. Troubleshooting common registration issues. Unable to verify email address. If you're having trouble verifying your email address, check your spam folder for the verification email. You may also need to whitelist the email address associated with Xero. Forgotten password. If you forget your Xero password, you can reset it by clicking on the Forgot Password link on the login page. Account locked out. If your account is locked out due to multiple failed login attempts, you can usually unlock it by answering a security question or contacting Xero support. Registering with Xero is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few minutes. By taking advantage of Xero's powerful features, you can streamline your accounting processes, improve your financial accuracy, and make more informed business decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.